Looking for a profitable business to start but cannot wrap your head around what to do? Here we will be discussing about the distributorship business and what sectors you can tap into for making you recurring profits. Apart from manufacturing and retail, distribution is a profitable opportunity for new entrepreneurs. The intent of this video is to provide the most lucrative distribution business ideas to the individuals who look for the same. Actually, starting a distribution business is a wise decision for first-generation entrepreneurs, because this type of venture allows initiating a business by taking less risk. Even if you want to understand a product or industry in a better way, the distribution business is the best possible option. And finally, shifting to manufacturing from a distribution business is the easy way of expanding a business. In this video we have listed 35 recommended distribution business opportunities that have a good profit potential, so stay tuned and analyze which you would like to start. This is the Biz Inc. and we bring to you videos about social media, entrepreneurship and business ventures to explore in this age of internet and technology. If you find these topics interesting, do consider subscribing our channel and like the video if you find it useful. If you have any questions and opinions about the content, comment down below. Your views will be really appreciated by us. Now without further ado, let's start the video. Number 1. Agricultural product distribution business. Agriculture is a big industry worldwide and there are several items that are perfect for the distribution business. Some of the most trending items are farm equipment, irrigation supplies, seeds, seedlings, fertilizer, growth promoters and pesticide. Number 2. Auto spare parts distribution. Currently the automobile industry is growing rapidly. If you are searching for a distribution opportunity in this industry, you can consider auto spare parts. This is a huge segment and there are numerous items that come under this segment. Number 3. Bakery products distribution. Bakery and confectionery are great items for the distribution business. Some of the most popular items are donuts, cakes, bread, biscuits, cookies and pastry. Also there are several allied products that are very profitable in the bakery segment. Number 4. Building material. Rapid urbanization is the major reason for the growth of the construction and real estate industry. And due to this, the building material distribution business has the potential of fetching good revenues. Some of the most potential items are cement, TMT rods, stone chips, nails, stone chips, floor tiles and bricks. Number 5. Car accessories distribution. This is another great business you can with moderate investment. The car accessories segment is now very vibrant. There are so many utility and luxury items very popular these days. Some of the most trending items are air freshener, dent remover, seat cover, mobile accessories and car lighting. Number 6. Crockery distribution. Crockeries are essential items in every kitchen and also restaurants, hotels, canteens are regular users of crockeries. The segment caters to a wide range of items. The list includes cup sets, coffee mugs, glass sets, jugs, dinner sets, trays and bowls. Also, there are several brands available in the market that look for potential distributors. Number 7. Dairy product distribution. If you want to start a distribution business in the processed food industry, then you can consider dairy product distribution. Generally, butter, cheese, yogurt, cream, toned milk are the most popular items in this segment. Though the per unit revenue is lesser than other products, these products enhance the volume of turnover. Number 8. Electrical item distribution. The electrical industry is very lucrative for starting a distribution business. Broadly, there are two segments. These are domestic items and industrial items. Electrical wires, switches, fans, lights, home appliances are the most potential items in the distribution business. Number 9. Fabric distribution. Actually, different types of fabrics are the major raw materials in the garment industry and also, people buy fabrics from retail to produce customized dresses. Overall, the fabric has a wide market globally. Broadly, there are two different types of fabrics, natural and man-made. Number 10. Flooring distribution. If you want to start a distribution business in the interior and real estate industry, then you can consider flooring distribution. Nowadays, people prefer using different types of flooring materials like carpets, boards and wooden. This type of distribution venture demands moderate capital investment. Number 11. FMCG distribution. In the food segment, FMCG distribution is the most profitable business. Also, the FMCG caters to a wide range of products other than food items. These are personal care, home care, beauty products, etc. You can start the business either with a single brand or multi-brand too. Number 12. Furniture distribution. This is another great industry you can consider for starting a distribution business. Apart from wooden furniture, wrought iron furniture, patio furniture, plastic furniture, leather furniture, and steel furniture are very popular. Also, you can cater to both the domestic and commercial markets in this business. Number 13. Gift items distribution. Generally, gift items ensure high revenue. Due to this reason, gift items are very popular in the retail distribution segment. Some of the most popular products are showpieces, toys, wall hangings, personalized gifts and corporate gifts. Number 14. Greetings card distribution. Globally, a greeting card is a multi-million-dollar industry, and digitally printed cards have the highest demand. Apart from that, some of the handcrafted cards and hand-painted cards have good demand also. You can start a greetings card distribution business with different brands also. Number 15. Herbal products distribution. Due to the awareness about harmful chemical products, people these days prefer to buy herbal products. Generally, personal care products, home care products, and herbal cosmetics have a major share in the herbal product industry. Also, the demand for herbal medicines is getting huge popularity. Number 16. Hosiery distribution. Actually, hosiery is a major sector in the ready-made garment industry. Different types of undergarments, vests, leggings, jeggings, capri, trousers, track pants are the most popular items in this segment. The industry caters to men's garments, women's garments, and kids' garments too. Number 17. Jewelry distribution. Gem and jewelry is a vibrant industry globally. Apart from precious jewelry, semi-precious and costume jewelry are getting huge popularity these days. Because of the low price, a wide range of population can afford to buy these pieces of jewelry. So according to your investment capacity, you can consider starting a jewelry distribution business in your area. Number 18. Laboratory equipment distribution. There are several companies you can find who produce laboratory equipment and tools. Generally, these are different types of glassware, balance, digital weighing machine and tester. Most of the companies that have specific R&D segments are the buyers of these items. Also, the educational institutions and government laboratories are the regular buyers. Number 19. Leather products distribution. Leather is itself a big industry. Apart from footwear, there are several items that have huge demand. Some of the most lucrative items are handbags, office bags, wallets, purses, belts, gloves, leather garments and wristwatch straps. Hence, you can cater to a wide market in the leather products distribution business. Number 20. Lubricant distribution. If you want to start a distribution business in the petroleum industry, then you can consider this business. However, lubricants come in different grades for different engines. Apart from the automobile, the lubricants have industrial applications also. Number 21. Medicine distribution. Medicine or drug distribution is one of the most profitable businesses in the pharmaceutical industry. Most of the medicine producing companies appoint distributors zone-wise. Therefore, you will need to identify the companies that are interested in recruiting distributors in your area. Number 22. Organic food distribution. Globally, the demand for organic food items is increasing rapidly. Both the processed food items and fresh food items have good demand. However, organically grown fresh fruits and vegetables have a very short shelf life. Also, you can consider distributing organic animal protein items. Number 23. Paint distribution. Paint itself a huge industry. Globally, you can find several established brands that produce paints. Actually, paints come in the building material segment. Some of the most potential items are wall putty, white cement, stainer, interior paint and outer wall paint. Number 24. Perfume distribution. This is another great item for the distribution business. Perfume and deodorants are a huge industry and literally there are numerous companies that appoint distributors to capture the market. Depending on your investment capacity and demographics, you must select the brand very carefully. Number 25. Ready-made garment distribution. If you want to start a business in the clothing and textile industry, then ready-made garment is the best segment to start with. Practically, there are thousands of different products that you can consider. However, the ready-made garments distribution business demands strategic planning and moderate startup investment. Number 26. School stationery distribution. Actually, there are numerous products that come under the school stationery segment. Currently, the education industry is growing rapidly throughout the globe. Hence, the demand for different types of items is also increasing. Both the school students and students who are in higher studies need school stationery items on a regular basis. Number 27. Security and surveillance products distribution. Nowadays, it is a well-known fact that people's concern about security is increasing. So, both in the commercial and domestic segments there is a huge demand for security and surveillance items. Generally, CCTV cameras and other devices have a huge demand in this segment. Number 28. Smartphone distribution. This is another great product you can consider in the distribution business. Globally, the smartphone market is increasing very fast and specifically the developing countries hold the major share of the total smartphone market. Apart from renowned brands like Apple, Samsung, there are several small companies that are entering the market too. Number 29. Sports goods distribution. If you are passionate about games and sports, you can consider initiating a sports goods distribution business. Actually, the sports and games industry is now fully commercialized and you can make handsome money from this type of business. Some of the most popular items are sports apparel, trophy and sports equipment. Number 30. Tailoring items distribution. If you want to start a distribution business with a small investment, then you can consider this opportunity. Actually, different types of needles, thread, zip, buttons, appliques are the most popular items in this segment. Number 31. Tea and coffee distribution. Actually, tea and coffee are high-value food items and these two items are popular globally. Also, the tea and coffee manufacturers widely appoint distributors to sell the products and definitely these products ensure good revenue. Number 32. Telecom products distribution. If you are interested in starting a business in the telecommunication industry, then you can consider the telecom products distribution business. Some of the most potential items are 4G routers, GPS personal tracker, handheld two-way radios, GPS vehicle tracking systems, fiber optic transmission products and systems. Number 33. Tobacco products distribution. Though tobacco items are injurious to health, the industry is growing rapidly, but in tobacco products you will get a small margin per unit. However, the huge sales volume ensures a high return in this business and also the tobacco products market is highly competitive. Number 34. Two-wheeler distribution. This is another profitable distribution business you can start in the automobile segment. Currently, the two-wheeler market is booming like never before. Apart from petrol bikes, electronic bikes are getting huge popularity these days. Due to the electric charging facility, these two-wheelers don't need petroleum fuels. Number 35. Wine distribution. Beers and wines are a huge industry and you must have the substantial investment capacity for starting a wine distribution business properly. Also, the industry is highly regulated by the government, so you will need specific licenses and permissions from the authority. Initiating a distribution business demands moderate investment capacity and strategic planning, and before entering the industry, you must understand the market potential of that particular product. We hope this list of 35 most trending distribution business ideas will help you in making an informed decision in starting your own venture in the distribution space. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We hope using these ideas discussed here will help you to start a profitable business for yourself and also will start seeing results as you make regular progress. If you liked our content, consider subscribing our channel to never miss out on any new video in the future. Also comment down which country you are from. This helps us to know our audience and bring out videos for every part of the world. This is the Biz Inc. signing off.